Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. With pets and kids, let's be honest, stains happen, but this BISSELL carpet cleaner has got me covered. This thing is amazing. This is the Pro Heat Revolution and it is my new favorite cleaning companion. This does an amazing job. You can see the results I got from this white chair that had hot chocolate spilled on it. This stain sat for months because I had no way of cleaning it, and it was no match for this carpet cleaner. It got it right up. I'm often very paranoid about our area rugs and our carpet smelling because we do have pets, but this not only does great at getting up stains, it makes your area rugs and your carpets smell clean and fresh. I really love that. There's a few things that set this carpet cleaner apart from me. One, the furniture tool was a must. This also has a dual brush roll. I'm getting twice the clean, and I really loved how the base came apart. It makes it really easy to clean, especially when you're trying to get pet hair out of a brush roll. I find this is really simple to use, no huge learning curve, so don't let it intimidate you. The top tank is where you put your clean water and your solution, and there's lines clearly marked so you know exactly where to fill it. Your dirty water goes in the bottom of the tank, and you kind of run it like a vacuum. So you've got a trigger on the top that disperses the soap when you want it to. There's even a little bonus foot pedal on the bottom that you can use to spot treat if needed. With having pets and kids, this has been an amazing cleaning tool, and honestly, I would recommend it to anybody because it's quality and it works so well. And that's my point of view.